Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to stop folders from opening up in separate windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you rather just open up an existing window or in the same window that you're currently already in, and then I'll show you some adjustment in File Explorer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung File Explorer. And select mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so once na-open mo na yung File Explorer, and then next step, dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot or ito yung tinatawag na see more, and then click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung option, and then pop up itong kanyang folder options. Okay, so kung paano ba natin yan i-stop yung folders opening in a separate windows, so dito lang sa general, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung browse folders. Okay, so dito sa dalawang option na to ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung pinakauna, ito yung open each folder in the same window. Okay, so kailangan mo lang yang i-select, right? And then once na-select mo na siya, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to stop folders opening in the separate windows in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.